Brand new Mediterranean house here in Portofino Subdivision, Bacoor, Cavite. Sukin natin. Meron tong lot area na 294 square meters. Floor area 264 square meters. May ground floor bedroom. Meron siyang sariling bathroom dito. Yan. At nasa loob nga tayo ng very exclusive subdivision. Ito yung pinaka-dining area. Meron kang open lanai. And this is your kitchen. Nasa labas yung helper's room. Ayan. Tapos meron pang garden. Kaya, panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung price and full details. And I will see you on that video. Bye-bye!